Need to find center on something? I love this center finder. It works for square and round pieces. Just add it, just tuck it to the ledge there and make a little mark. Perfect center every time. Love it. So then I just drill a little bit of a pilot hole. This is going to make it easy for the 1/2 inch bit. Give it a track to follow. And then I put a little piece of tape on there, made a flag. And it's nice, tells me how deep to go. And it also, as it's spinning, I just shook it off, but it'll fan off all the sawdust. Love it. So I start out slow, get the hole going, and then just drill down to the fan. Here I am adding the foot screw, just an Allen wrench. Just get it pushed in the hole, add some pressure, and it'll thread itself right into the wood. You don't want to torque this down too far, but you want it flush. Sometimes you can actually break the whole piece apart by adding too much pressure. If you're going into something hard like maple or walnut, this is poplar and maple. I think this one is maple, so I had to add a little bit oomph to get it nice and flush. And then I always test it, screw in the foot, make sure I got the threaded part nice and straight up and down. Yeah, fits in there real good. You can use this to add feet to tables, console tables, chairs, anything you need.